Welcome back to Movie Masters. Today we're going to learn on DaVinci Resolve how to remove an object from a moving image. Say for example, you film something, there's a crowd of people, and there's just one person in that crowd you just want removed. Or maybe you film someone and they've got like a logo on their t-shirt and you need to remove that logo. Well, in just a click of a few simple buttons, we can remove that from a moving image. So let's get into it. First, we're going to select the scene. So in this scene here, I have picked a shot from Phuket. And for the example, I'm going to take out this person here on the stand-up paddleboard. So first what I'll do is drag my scene in that I want to remove the image from. Then once I've selected that, I will go to the color grading tool down the bottom. Here I will then select over to my draw tool. Now you could use a circle or a square, but for the sake of getting them a bit more correct, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Now because this person is just blended into the ocean, it should be a pretty simple procedure. Now once I've selected them, I'll go here, I'll play this through. That will then track where they're moving so it can keep removing that object. So once we have our node here, now if you are doing another color, you're going to want to create a different node. Let's say we're not coloring this article at all. We will just drag straight on the object removal. So in here, you'll type in object. This will come up as object removal. We will bring it onto the node here. Right, now here we've already selected this, so we'll go scene analysis. Right, now that has grayed this out here, after that we want to go build clean plate, and that will use the information around it to try fill in the gaps as best as possible. So now if we go back to our window, you will see the guy's now gone, and if we play that through, easy as that, and it's done. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time, and keep movie making.